Hey, welcome to my Facebook Live. I'm going to give this a little bit of time for you guys to jump on. I wanted to spend this time doing a little Q&A based on the announcement that I made yesterday. So as you come on, just let me know where you're living in from, what city, state you're in, and we will get started with this shortly. I'll get this started in probably a couple minutes. Just want to let Facebook build my audience, and we will get started and get your questions answered. If you can hear me, let me know. Put a 1 in the comments if you can. I want to see if I can see my comments. Make sure that this is actually working correctly. So if you can hear me and you can see me, just put a 1 in the comments for me. Thank you so much, Chandra. Is it Chandra or Chandra? I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Thank you so much for dropping a 1. I appreciate that. Hey, Noel. Hey, Annie. We will get started here in just a moment. If you have any questions about iMarketsLive, trading Forex, or any home business, go ahead and drop it in the comments and I'll see if I can answer them. I have about 7 questions that I do want to answer that have come to me since I made my announcement yesterday. So I'm going to answer those, and then I'll answer any of the ones in the comments. Thank you, Chandra. Awesome. I'm glad I don't like messing up people's names. All right, if you are a replay viewer, you can put a hashtag replay in the comments, and I'll come back and shout you out if you end up catching this on the replay. If you're live, thanks so much for jumping on. We're going to get started. If you have a comment, go ahead and put it in the, if you have a question, go ahead and put it in the comment section. But I will get started in a couple more minutes. So for those of you who do not know me, or yeah, maybe you know me, maybe you don't. I'm Yvonne from Colorado, also Yvonne Anderson, but most people know me as Yvonne from Colorado, or YFC for short. I've been in the home-based business industry for the last 18 years. That means that I've had some type of home-based business for the last 18 years. And most recently, I started with a company called iMarketsLive, which is our product is money. Our product is learning how to trade Forex and multiplying your money. That is a huge, crucial thing that you need to learn how to do if you plan on making sure you don't get laid off, if you plan on being able to pay your bills if something happens in your life. I have gotten laid off almost 3 times. The 3rd time I saw it coming and decided to fire my boss 8 years ago. Okay, so I'm just going to go into what Forex, kind of talk a little bit about Forex and why I think you should be trading it, and then we'll get your questions answered if you happen to have them. So let's just get right into it. One of the number 1 question that I got yesterday after I made my announcement about promoting iMarketsLive and just doing Forex full time is, do I have to refer people to iMarketsLive if I only want to trade Forex? And the answer to that is no. Recruiting is 100% optional. You do not have to recruit people. You are not required to tell anyone about iMarketsLive. You can simply become a student and then start taking the IML Academy, and then you'll be able to learn how to trade Forex on your own. We've got some awesome tools to teach you how to trade Forex. If you just want to copy and paste, you can do that. So no, the answer to that question is no, you do not have to recruit. Now, I will tell you though, we do have a refer to, and yours is free. So if you refer to people, then you will be able to get your membership for free as long as you have active people. Hey, Damon. Hey, Hope. Thanks for jumping on. Okay, so that is the answer to question number 1. I'm going to try to make this broadcast not too long. I may need to split it up into several videos once I upload it to YouTube, but we'll keep going. So number 2, if I'm really busy, can I trade Forex in just a few hours a day? And the answer is yes. You can trade Forex in just a few short hours a day. I like to trade from 1 a.m. Mountain Time, which is 3 a.m. Eastern Time, which is when the London session opens. I like to trade from 1 to 4 a.m. But you can literally choose when you want to trade, and mainly because we have the tools that allow you to do that. Hey, Golden, thanks for jumping on. We have the tools that allow you to do that. because you can use something called what we call our web analyzer, so that you can actually trade any time of day when you want to. Signals are called every day, all sorts of times throughout the day, so that you can trade whenever you want. So let's say you're busy, you don't get off work till 5 o'clock, you can jump into the Asian session and trade throughout the night. Totally up to you. Okay, so that's the answer to that question. So question number 3. Now this is more of a Forex question. You probably need to know how to trade Forex if this question is for you. How can I sell a currency without buying it first? So in the realm of Forex, a lot of people are under the impression that when you buy low and you sell high, you had to have actually bought that currency pair first before you can sell it, and that is not the case. I'm going to try to put this in layman's terms, elementary terms for you. What happens is you open up your broker account, or you can trade with demo first. I always recommend that everybody starts with demo, so that you don't lose your money. You want to start practicing first using monopoly money. Once you do that, you're going to open up a live broker account. The goal in Forex is for you to predict whether or not the market is going to be right, then you make a profit. If you're wrong, then you lose money. That's as simple as it gets. That's the simple breakdown of Forex. You're simply trading one currency pair of a country for another currency pair of a different country. And if you're right and you do go in for a buy, and the market does move up for you, then you gain some pips and you earn some money. So learning Forex is really simple. It is a simple thing that you can do from your home, from your laptop, anywhere that you want, because the markets are open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. They're actually open even more than that if you decide to trade crypto. Okay, so question number 4 that I got: I don't have the money. How can I get started trading Forex? My simple answer is you can't. You have to have money to be able to trade Forex. Now, the cool thing though, I want to put this in perspective for you. Not too long ago, you couldn't get into Forex unless you were a millionaire. Unless you were a millionaire, you could not tap into trading Forex at all. So lucky for us, we're able to do that now. We're able to trade Forex with just $100. You can get started. Again, you're going to become a student of iMarketsLive, and then you're going to learn how to trade Forex using either your demo money or your real money. And the cool thing about that is you're on your own, but you're not on your own. You're able to trade money when you want, the time frame that you can do it in, and you don't have to have a lot of money to do that. So if you're looking at getting started with just $100, you can do that simply by again opening up your broker account and trading with just that $100 to get started. Then as you grow your account, we focus on growing our accounts by 2%. As you grow your account, you'll be able to trade with larger lot sizes and whatnot. So again, learning Forex is something I believe anybody should do, but you do not have to have a lot of money to get started. You do have to have some money. You just don't have to have a lot. Now, I'm going to put this in perspective for you. A lot of people think $200 a month is a little bit. Hey, KB. Hey, Sonia. Thanks for jumping on, ladies. Hey, Lisa. Thanks so much for jumping on. A lot of people are under the impression that it takes a lot of money to get started. Now, I'm going to put this in perspective only because I want to kind of relay it to college. If you're going to college, you're going to look at spending about $40,000 a year, $30,000, $40,000 depending on your college. Now, the problem with college is that year number 1 means nothing until you get that piece of paper. Year number 2 means nothing until you get that piece of paper. Year number 3 means nothing until you get that piece of paper. Year number 4 still means nothing until you get that piece of paper. Now, the cool thing about Forex education is that from day 1, when you start trading, you can literally start making money. See, with college, I'm not against college. I just think that if you're going to get into college, you want to make sure that you're actually willing to stay the whole 4 years. If you drop out, like I did, I'm a junior in college. I have about $40,000 in student loan debt and never finished to get that piece of paper so that I could get a job and compete with the other people who have that piece of paper so that I can make, $15, $17, $25 an hour, however much your salary is. The cool thing about Forex education is that you're learning from day 1. You jump right into this thing. In a week, you can start trading and actually have money back in your pocket. If you're doing college, you're looking at tuition, you're looking at books, you're looking at other fees, you're looking at dorm costs, you're looking at food and so forth. So college, you got a college education, but you're still competing with other people who got that piece of paper for a job that you may or may not be able to keep if layoffs happen. So the cool thing about Forex education is you're learning how to trade Forex so that you never have to worry about money again. You never have to worry about money again. You never have to figure out what you're going to do, what your plan B is. Forex can truly be your plan B. If you have a job, keep your job. If you love it, that's awesome. But the cool thing about Forex is that it can be your plan B. Thank you for watching. For more information
on how you can create an income trading Forex and cryptocurrencies, go on over to my website now at tradewithyvonne.com. That's www.tradewithyvonne.com.
So the answer to that question is you have to have money.
See you over there.
Yes, you do have to have some money, but it's not a lot. Again, like I said, up to a few years ago, you had to be a millionaire to even get into this. But thanks to the government, some deregulations, and the power of technology, you can now trade Forex from your laptop if you have $100 to put into your live trading account. Okay. So question number 5 that I got, is iMarkets available worldwide? The answer is yes. We are in 120 countries. Hey, Artansa, thanks for jumping on. Hey, Sean, thanks so much for jumping on. So again, is iMarkets available worldwide? The answer is yes. We're in 120 countries. We actually have iMarkets Live TV. We have an English channel, a German channel, a French channel, a Portuguese channel, a Spanish channel. So if you speak a different language and you still want to learn Forex, you can jump into this thing and learn with us, okay? What did you say, Sean? Facts. I burned my piece of paper because it still did me no good. Right. There are a lot of people who struggle with the fact that they went to college and now they have that piece of paper. They are now hundreds of thousands of dollars in debt and can't do much with it, especially if you're still, again, competing with other people who have that same piece of paper with a little bit more experience. What I've learned over the years is that it's almost like getting a job is easier if you know someone who works at that company. You know, it's easier if you know somebody who works at that company and really has nothing to do with whether or not you got a college degree. If you have a college degree, that's a plus. Sometimes they use that against you and telling you that they won't promote you until you get that degree. But man, you've got to spend thousands of dollars to get that. But with Forex education, you can tap right in, start learning, start making money. I always tell my team to demo for at least a week. You want to know what you're doing and then go right into, you know, using some real money and start multiplying it. All right. So again, okay, let's see. Question number 6. Can we trade cryptocurrencies? The answer is yes. So for those of you who may not know what a cryptocurrency is, that is Bitcoin, Ripple, Litecoin, Ethereum, the different coins that have come about. That is digital money. Digital money that is not going anywhere anytime soon. You can trade Bitcoin 7 days a week if you have a broker who allows you to trade that. You can use yayasvc, you can use Trader's Way. There's a couple more that allow you to trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. You can do that 7 days a week. So I like to tap around and play with that on Saturdays when the markets are closed. I've gotten a little addicted to doing so, to trading. So when the markets are open, I like to be in there and multiplying my money. So yes, you can trade cryptocurrencies. The cool thing is that iMarkets Live now has 3 crypto tools. So you started with crypto. We have the crypto analyzer. We've had that for a few months. That has been working really well. And they just made the announcement that we now have Swipe Coin. That's like our Swipe Trades app where you can just copy and paste from the professional and put in some trades with the cryptocurrency. We also have a Crypto Academy so that you can learn how to trade cryptocurrency and look at the market. See, one of the things about cryptocurrency is that when it first came out, you were told that you should buy Bitcoin. So maybe you bought a coin when it was $14,000, when it was worth $14,000, and now that coin is, I believe, we're right around $8,000 or $9,000. So you've lost about $5,000 per coin. Now, if you got in when Bitcoin was almost $20,000, I feel really sorry for you because now that money has dwindled down, and you probably, I mean, I know some people were telling folks to mortgage their home so that they can buy some coins. I know USI Tech had some issues and went under from people who, you know, bought coins and whatnot and really hurt a lot of people. But the cool thing about trading crypto with Forex and trading it like Forex and trading it on the market is that you can win whether the market goes up or down. You're not buying cryptocurrencies, spending $8,000 on a coin, hoping that coin cost increase, that price increase. What you're doing is you're debating and you're deciphering whether or not that market is going to go up or down. And if that market does go up and you were right, then you earn some profit. If it goes down and if you were wrong, then yes, you can lose. It is a volatile market, but I'm telling you, it can truly make you a whole lot of money if you learn how to tap in and learn how to trade cryptocurrency. So yes, the answer to that question is yes, you can trade cryptocurrency. Now, you guys, if you have questions, go ahead and put them in the comments. When I'm done with these last few questions, I'm going to go ahead and answer questions that I see in the comments. Okay. Thanks, KB, for the love. I appreciate you, girl. So the last question that I have on this list that you guys asked is, why should I join you over someone else? Now, This question kind of irks me because I honestly don't care if you join me. I just want you to learn Forex. But if you've been on any of my teams, you know how I operate. I am a person who operates with integrity. I do not just bring you into something and let you sit there. I make myself available. I make myself available via a Facebook Messenger. I give you my real phone number. If you want to call me, or we can schedule a call so that you can get your questions answered by phone, I will do that for you. So I am a person who makes myself available for the people who choose to partner with me. Also, I have some pretty cool bonuses for you. I've got 3 team bonuses and I've got 4 extra bonuses for you just because you chose to partner with me. One of the bonuses that people are having really good results with is my personal scalping template. Okay, thanks KB. Is my personal scalping template. So I like to scalp. Scalping just means that you're in the market, you grab a few pips and you jump out, okay? So one of the biggest things that people can do is that you can be a swing trader, which means that you can hold your trades for a little while longer, maybe a day or two, a week. It's up to you how long you want to hold a trade. But I like to be a scalper. I really don't have the patience for being a swing trader. I jump in and out. So what I've done is I've put together a special scalping template. It's a template that helps me see the market and quickly determine whether or not a trade is going to be a good trade for me to jump into. And that is an added bonus that I get that I'm going to be giving to people who choose to partner with me. Okay, so that you can kind of just, I'm going to try to help you with the learning curve, because when you first get into this thing, you're going to be in IML Academy. You may be messing around with IML TV, and there are tons of instructors for you to follow. Well, I'm going to go ahead and give you my strategy and how I trade and what I look for when I'm deciding to get into a trade. So when I get a swipe trade, I can quickly analyze. When I use the harmonic scanner, I can quickly analyze. I love the web analyzer. I can quickly analyze where the market is going and decide whether or not the trade that was called is good for me. And so for you, for choosing to partner with me, I'm going to go ahead and let you, have access to those special bonuses. There's another bonus that I'm giving is for the next 200 people that join me is a one-on-one coaching session so that you can get an understanding about what you're looking at, One of the big things about trading Forex is that there is a learning curve. There is a learning curve. It may take you a while to understand what you're looking at, understand the terminology, but I'm telling you, once you guys learn this, once you learn how to trade Forex, even if iMarketsLive disappears, which knock on wood, I pray that it doesn't, because I absolutely love the company and the tools that it provides, but you will never have to worry about money again, A lot of the times people, wonder why you should join a certain person in a company, and they get into a company and they never hear from the person who referred them. They never have the help that they need. Not here. I'm Yvonne, and I love to help people. I really believe that it's important for you to have a second income, and I believe that it's important for the person who referred you to the company to make themselves available to help you, and that's what I offer when you decide to partner with me, okay? So let's see. I'm going to try to see the comments, if I can see the comment section. If I can scroll back up, I don't even know if I can. Let's see. I don't typically go live, so let's see what we've got here. All right. Mike says, I had just read a book about digital currency and Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin's here to stay. Digital currency is not going anywhere. New coins are popping up, and you can easily earn money if you know how to read the market, okay? Thanks, KB. She's the best. Thank you so much. Let's see. Mark says, hey, Yvonne, what does your day look like trading Forex? Okay. So for me, I was all over the place when I first got started. For you guys that know, I joined iMarketsLive back in January of 2017, and I didn't do anything for the first 5 months. I took a couple swipe trades, but I didn't actually get in and take a look at IML Academy for the first 5 months. I didn't do anything. Then I tapped into it. I actually started watching IML Academy, learning the terminology, and decided that I really wanted to take advantage and learn this thing. So what my day looks like now, it's different than what it looked like from day one. Day one, I was all over the place trying to learn different strategies. If I lost a trade, I figured that strategy didn't work, so I ended up trying something else. I asked all sorts of questions, asked different people about their strategies, what tools they were using, what indicators they were using, RSI, stochastic, and all that stuff, But what I finally did was I found several indicators that work for me, that I understand what I'm looking at, and I can quickly view the market. So I like to get up at 1 a.m. Mountain time, which is 3 a.m. Eastern time. I trade the London session. The other sessions, in my opinion, trade a little slower. So I like to do the London session. And so that's early in the morning from 1 a.m. And I'm usually done around 4 a.m. trading. I like to watch my trades because I'll be honest with you, I don't always use a stop loss. Now I'm talking in Forex terminology. You guys will learn what a stop loss is if you choose to partner with me. But again, I don't always use a stop loss because I like to, make sure that I'm getting into a trade. I look at precise entry. So from 1 to 4, 4, I trade, and then I'm done. At the latest, I'm up until 5 a.m. if I have a trade that's still going, and I think that I'm still going to catch some more pips. So my day looks like me trying to get my 100 pips every single day, and I don't quit trading until I catch those. So my goal is 100 pips every single day. I do twin trading. So if I see that there is a trade that I'm going to get 5 to 10 pips on because I'm looking at my indicators and my scalping template is helping me determine that, then I can stay in some trades a little while longer, catch more pips based on the fact that I'm looking at my moving averages and stuff like that. So again, when you partner with me, you'll get access to my scalping template along with the video that tells you exactly how I use it, so that you'll know exactly what I'm looking at, and I can help you kind of get past the learning curve a little bit easier. I know people jump in and they're a little confused because they're thinking about Fibonacci and pitchforks and trend lines and all that, and I just kind of want to make it simplistic for you so that you can get in this thing and really start multiplying your money as quickly as possible. So again, my day looks like a 1 a.m. to 4 a.m. and I'm pretty much done trading for the day and have caught the pips that I want to catch. Okay, let's see other questions. Bonus number 1, personal scalping template, get in and get out the market. Exactly, KB. I like to scalp. I like to be in and out. I catch my pips and I'm out so I can be done for the day. Okay. Hey Sonia, thanks so much. Hey Mo, hey Coach Macon, thanks for jumping on. Hey Donnie, thanks for jumping on. Let's see. Mike says Yvonne stands by her word and you are in good hands with her. She knows her stuff. Thank you, Mike. I appreciate that. Yeah, you guys, I'm really serious about making sure that people can generate wealth. And so my goal in helping you get started with iMarketsLive is making sure that you know what you're doing. I want you to know what you're doing. I've decided that this is the last opportunity for me because, again, I've been quiet over the last few months. I haven't been promoting anything because I'm enjoying trading Forex. And because of that, I feel like this is something that I need to share with the world. I need to share with the masses. And so, yes, when you join me, you will be in good hands. I will not leave you alone. Now, I will not treat you like a kid, though. I'm expecting you to be an adult and you jump on and you attend your classes like you're supposed to. You do IML Academy. I know a lot of people in the industry, they feel like they don't need to watch videos. They don't need to learn. They just want you to tell them everything. And that's really not how I operate. I do expect you to jump into this thing and take it seriously. Jump in IML Academy, attend IML TV, get on there with a Daisy Duncan so that you can learn Forex 101 and really do your due diligence. If you were deciding that you wanted to fly a plane and become a pilot, you're gonna learn. You're gonna do what you need to do to learn. Okay, and so this is a chance for you to learn a new skill set that can truly change your life, so that there will not be those stressful times where you're like, what am I gonna do about money? What am I gonna do to pay this bill? What am I gonna do? I got a kid who's getting ready to go to college. What do I do? You know. So again, it's important for me to help you along the way. Okay. Let's see. Sonia says, I'm sending my hubby to you. How do we get in touch with you? Awesome, Sonia. Here's what you want to do. Just go to tradewithyvonne.com. Again, go to tradewithyvonne.com. Opt in there, enter your email address, and you'll have access to my contact information. You'll get access to my phone number. You can message me here on Facebook. It's really easy to reach me. Again, I take pride in making sure that I make myself available. And so you can, again, just reach out, go to tradewithyvonne.com. Hey, Micah, thanks for jumping on. Hey, Terry. Let's see. Hey, Donnie, I'd like to know more. Yvonne, please inbox me some info. Absolutely. I can message you, or if you want to just go to tradewithyvonne.com. And then after, I've got a short 3-minute video that kind of just explains really quick what Forex is. And then there's a longer webinar that kind of goes into the tools that iMarketsLive provides. Okay. And then from there, you can decide whether or not trading Forex is going to be for you. Once you decide to sign up and become a student, you will, again, easily be able to jump in to iMarketsLive. And then as you have questions along the way, you can reach out to me. We're on a really awesome team. We're on Dr. Jewel Tankard's team with Dr. Kathy, with the Duncans, Richard and Daisy Duncan, with Words Taylor. We're on a really cool team. So the cool thing is that you're going to get access to our Facebook group. So if you do have questions in the members only group, you can push your questions there. But again, you're joining a really cool team when you partner with me. Okay. So let's see. Hey coach, she's about that money. I am about that money. Is there any benefits to being an IBO in the company from Golden? Absolutely. Okay, iMarketsLive has the #1 compensation plan on the planet. And I say that not because I'm with iMarketsLive. I say that because I've been in this industry for 18 years and I've never seen a comp plan like this. The reason I say that is, okay, if you were to refer just 12 people to the company, let's start with this. If you refer just 3 people to the company, you're going to be able to earn $150 a month. Now, I don't know where they do that at, but typically you don't get $150 a month from just 3 referrals. Okay, if you refer 12 people, you will be at $600 a month. If you refer 30 people, you are at $1,000 a month. If you refer 75 people, you are at $2,000 a month. If you refer 200 people, I think it's 225, you're at $5,000 a month. The numbers are crazy because I've been in a previous company where I brought in close to almost 600 people personally referred, and I was nowhere near that amount of money. I think I was maybe at a couple thousand, $3,000 a month with 600 people that I personally sponsored. If you refer people to iMarketsLive, again, 100% optional. It is not at all required, but it is something for you if you decide to become an IBO. Now, see, the cool thing is when you refer your 3, you're also earning a $35 bonus on each person. So you get paid weekly. I haven't missed a paycheck yet. iMarketsLive is awesome. Again, the numbers are crazy. When you refer just a handful of people, you're already making an extra $600, you know, 12 people. And the cool thing is you don't even have to refer them yourself. All you ever have to do is refer 3. So if you refer 3 and those people, somebody else on your team decides to refer the other 9, then you've got 12 people on your team. You're earning $600 a month. That's your car note. That's some people's rent, not here in Colorado. That's half your rent here in Colorado. But that's $600 a month for you, you know? So for that, it's easy for you to be able to pay a car note just by referring people. And people need this. They need another way to make money. A lot of people are not good with network marketing, so they won't necessarily be on the IBO side. But I do believe that anybody can refer 2 or 3 people. Because I know you've got loved ones, I know you've got coworkers that you can just tell someone about this new skill set that you're learning and bring them on board, you know. So the cool thing about being an IBO is that it's another form of income. Even in addition to your Forex trading income, you now can have additional money just by referring people. So it's kind of like so basically you would be an affiliate of iMarketsLive, and all you're simply doing is letting people know that, hey, there's another way for you to let your money work for you, you know. A lot of people don't realize that when they go and put their money in the bank is only paying you a very small percentage every year. You're talking about 0.0001% of the money that you have sitting in the bank. And the thing is, they trade your money at night anyways. They do something called a bank swap where they're using your money trading Forex, making millions, and then just giving you pennies on the dollar when you could do that yourself. You can learn how to do that for yourself and make your money, work for you. So yes, there is a benefit to being an IBO. So if you can tell people about the fact that there is money out there to be made from the fact that they have a little bit of money and can start flipping that and earning 2% a day, you'd be surprised how 2% a day on just $100 grows. You're talking about a lot of money after the long run of you just being consistent and catching pips. So I tell my team, try to catch 10 pips a day. Then focus on 20 pips a day and keep going up until you're at where you want to be at financially. And then you can walk away from your job. You can keep your job if you love it. But the thing is, again, this is a company where the benefits outweigh the fact that, I mean, all I can say is I love iMarketsLive. We've got some Chairman 500s in the company. There's 3 of them. They are at $500,000 a month in income, and it's actually more than that. But their salaries are $500,000 a month. I don't know where you can go to make $500,000 a month anywhere. I don't care what job you have. You will never be the CEO and CFO of your company. I don't care how long you're there. You can be there 15, 20 years. I guarantee you at some point you will probably face a layoff. I faced 2, almost 3 of them myself. I was at my first company for 8 years, got laid off. At my next company, at a different company for 5 years, got laid off. So I stick to companies. However, they don't stick to me. You know, they'll lay you off in a heartbeat, and then here you are not knowing what to do. So I tell people, trade Forex so that you will have an extra set of income. And even more importantly, tell others about this. If you don't tell others, someone else is going to tell them. You're going to find out that your aunt, your uncle is already trading Forex and already joined because you didn't tell them. So again, jump into this thing. It's 100% optional to refer. But once you start seeing profits, once you start jumping in here, you demo for a little bit, you know what you're doing, then you start using real money, you will truly be able to change your life. And I really want you guys to realize that iMarketsLive is not going anywhere. Neither is the world of Forex. So you're either going to learn it or you're just going to let the banks keep trading your money for you and paying you pennies on the dollars. Okay. So let's see. Do I have any more questions? If I don't, I'm going to end this broadcast. Feel free to reach out to me. Go to tradewithyvonne.com. Again, if you have questions, I am available for you to ask those questions. But that is it for today. Thanks so much for jumping on, you guys. I appreciate you, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Again, going over to tradewithyvonne.com, and we'll see you over there. Bye for now.